Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. G, coming at you with the Chapter 3, Lesson 2 questions on the Agricultural Revolution. So the Ice Age has finally come to an end, and temperatures all over the Earth are starting to rise. It's about 8000 BC, and a new age is beginning. A new Stone Age, the Neolithic Age. It was during this time that people realized we don't actually have to go out to hunt and gather to get food. We can settle and do it right here from the comfort of our own home. And no, I'm not talking about Uber Eats, I'm talking about farming. Because of farming, people were able to settle in villages, and it was because of this that we began to see a rise in the Great River Valley civilizations.
Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. G. Open your mind and your heart, and let's take a closer look at historical events that shape who we are today, here on History in the Round.
Let's get into the questions. Number 1, what was systemic agriculture? At first, humans relied on hunting and gathering for their daily food. With the shift to systemic agriculture, humans were able to grow their own food on a regular basis. Number 2, how did specialization affect the lives of Neolithic people? Because there were already so many farmers, people were able to take on other jobs. They became artisans or skilled workers. Number 3, what was the agricultural revolution? The agricultural revolution was a major change in the way people lived. They turned from hunting and gathering their food in nomadic communities to farming and herding animals in an established, settled community. Number 4, how did farming lead to new types of economic activities? A steady food supply and a food surplus meant that not all people had to farm. Because of this, people became skilled workers and they were able to produce and trade goods. Number 5, what are the advantages and disadvantages when a community grows? When the community grows, the advantage is that there are more people available to do work. Also, there may be more security and a steadier food supply for people. A disadvantage, however, may be that a larger population means that there are fewer resources and goods to share among the people. Number 6, which groups made up the largest social class in early civilizations? This is going to change depending on the actual civilization, but for the most part, the lowest class was the largest class, and usually that entails slaves or people captured in war. Number 7, you're a leader of a band of hunter-gatherers. You have seen other bands settling in river valleys and begin to farm. Write a speech to persuade your own band to settle and begin farming. Speeches should provide persuasive reasoning. You should be able to tell your band the pros about settling down. I hope this helped. Get those questions and answers submitted on time. See you soon.